Hey guys, HeavenTheCoach here, and I'm here to show you guys how I achieve sleek ponytails with no edge control. I find that my method lasts a lot longer. So here you see me just parting my hair into 4 sections. For me, it's easier to manage when I have my hair parted in smaller sections. And I'm going to go out throughout my head, and for each section, I'm going to blow dry it as straight as possible. I tried to leave a lot of this footage in for you guys so you guys can see the detailing and the time it takes to blow out the hair. So now all 4 sections are blow dried, and I'm just warming up my flat iron, and I'm going to flat iron each section so that my hair can be nice and sleek. This just helps with keeping the foundation of the ponytail really smooth. So that's one complete section, and we're going to go ahead and move on to the other side. And yes, I do watch TV, YouTube videos while I'm doing my hair. I think I'm watching Hollywood Divas at this time. So now my hair is all flat ironed out, and I am using what some would call a guarded hot comb for my edges. I will link this product down below. It is a lifesaver, especially for short hair. And now I'm parting off the section for my bangs. This video isn't really a hairstyle tutorial, but more so a molding tutorial on teaching girls how to mold the hair. I'm showing you guys some of the products that I will be using. And I'm back brushing my hair into a ponytail. This is, one of the repetitive steps of this style, just continuously brushing, trying to get it as smooth and as sleek as possible, even though all the hairs cannot fit into the actual ponytail. So let's get to molding. You saw me spray my hair with the Got to Be Glued spray. And here is the, secret technique. You spray your hair where it feels moist. You blow dry it a little bit, and you keep combing. While you're combing, you're creating that straight, smooth look, and you're blending all the shorter flyaway hairs up into the ponytail. So I'm gonna do these steps all around my head. This process takes me about 30 minutes, but it is sped up just for video purposes. So yeah, you can continue to spray over and over again just to make sure that all those flyaways are molded neatly into the ponytail. And even if you miss a spot or don't feel like a part of your ponytail is not as sleek as you would like it, you just re-wet that spot with the spritz, and it will be smooth. So here you see me taking the ponytail holder off, and just retying my ponytail. This helps because as we're molding, we are actually stretching some of the hair, so now new hairs can actually get into the ponytail holder. I'm just completing this process throughout my entire head, moving along to the sides and making sure I have my blow dryer on a nice steady heat. And we're just about finished with the molding process, giving it that sleek look. And right here at the top, you can see my rubber band kind of slipping off my ponytail. And that's perfectly fine because I'm going to take it off and just try to spray the center of the ponytail down so it can also be molded and strong, so this hairstyle can last me about a week to 9 days. So I'm just blow drying, feeling, touching, trying to secure everything as much as possible. I like this method a lot better than some of the edge controls because I feel like it's a lot of grease. Here you see me just spraying my hair down with oil sheen. And I do that before I add any tracks with glue, just so they don't slip out. And here is the final look. I hope you guys like it. I hope you girls that might have short hair from a haircut or color treated hair that might be slightly damaged enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy your ponies. And yeah, you can do your pony however you choose to add your extended ponytail weave. But yeah, I'm showing you a style with the top knot. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.